Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Mana. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that the price line of Mana broke out in the down channel, but the price line was rejected after a very massive rally. It was rejected by a quite long-term resistance of 85 cents. And this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, this by the way a daily time frame chart, and this was the down channel that I've been showing you. And by the way, I have been showing you this channel even before the breakout as well. And I was telling you that after the breakout, the technical target will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 80 cents. And you can see that the price and has rallied beyond that target. If I place this measurement tool from this low, when last time it was testing the support of the channel up to this high, then you can see that it was more than 293% pump. But the price line got rejected by this long-term resistance of 85 cents. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 85 cents has been previously working as a very strong resistance here and almost as a resistance here. And again, it worked as a very strong resistance for the price line of Mana. And by the way, here it was also working as a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Mana that I shared on 18th of November 2024 with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that Mana farm it was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. Buying sign and the sell target sign and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and as expected and as predicted dropped down and the buying on here. Then we had a very, very massive reversal. And this was almost 113% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Mana. And this is the weekly. First of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart, and this is the down channel that I've been showing you for the past several days or weeks. And you can see that it was nicely moving down and forming lower lows and lower highs. But I was telling you that after this breakout from the channel, we can expect that the trend will be changed from the downside to the upside. And now you can see that finally we have broken out. But after the breakout, the price line is rejected by this long-term resistance of 85 cents. That is a very long-term resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it had been working as a very strong resistance here for a few weeks. And again, it worked as a very, very strong resistance. And now in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break out this resistance of 85 cents. By the way, previously when we broke out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, even at that time after that breakout, the price line was rejected by this resistance of 85 cents. Since then, you can see that the price line is not able to break out this resistance. And before that, this 85 cents has been also breaking as a resistance here. And for a few weeks, it had been breaking as a resistance here as well. Now, we have already hit the target for the breakout from this smaller down channel. And now if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that is happened here on the 7 days time frame chart, by the way, that target is here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between $6.50 to $7. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.